be sharing with you two new sponges that I'm going to be trying out for the first time today. And they are the Microfiber Lemondrop Sponge and the Microfiber Lavender Velvet Sponge by Juno Co. Now, if you've been on my channel for quite some time, you know that I have been reviewing Juno Co's Microfiber Velvet Sponges for quite a while now. I am a huge fan of their sponges. So they released both of these sponges about early to mid-June. So it's been about 2 weeks now. And I do have both of them here and I have not tried them yet. I'm going to be splitting my face. So I'm going to be using the Lemondrop sponge on this side and then the Lavender Velvet sponge on the other. So I figured maybe doing both of them in one video can give you an idea of what they work like, how they apply the makeup on the skin. So I figured why not do both of them at the same time on my face. Before I begin, make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you are enjoying it. All right, so let's get started. Starting off with the Microfiber Lemondrop Sponge. This one is 30% softer than the original Microfiber Velvet. Discover our Sunshine Ready Makeup Sponge Lemondrop. A bright and juicy yellow hue with the same airbrush finish but a new dewdrop shape. So we're gonna open this guy up. And also, how cute is this packaging? I love that. Okay, so this is the Lemondrop sponge. I already dropped it, literally. Let's start that again. So this is the Lemondrop sponge. It's so cute. It comes in like this really cute color. Obviously, it's small now. If you wet it, it will expand, just like most sponges. This always comes with like a little guide on how to use each and every sponge, just because they do have a wide variety of sponges. So you can use this sponge on wet and dry products, which is what makes it so amazing to me. So you can use this on liquid foundations, contour, blush, and highlighters, and then loose powders and powder foundations. As for the Lavender Velvet Sponge, this one claims to be 50% softer than the original Velvet Juno Co sponge, and it provides the perfect natural coverage for a fresh spring ready airbrush finish. Ooh, it's very nice and soft. Oh my god, this is so cute. How am I supposed to put foundation on this? So this is the Lavender Sponge. As you can see, it has a flat surface. What I'm gonna do is just use both of them wet. Like I said, you can use them dried if you want to. So I'm gonna go wet these right now and I'll get back to you. So yeah, they are both wet, ready to be used. For the sake of the video, I am going to do like a full foundation routine. I am still using the Becca Skin Love foundation, primer, and concealer. So first thing I'm gonna do is apply some primer. I never use my sponge, honestly, to apply primer. I usually use my hands. I just washed my hands, so 2 little squirts here. And in case you guys are wondering, this is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is one of my favorite primers. Even if I'm not using a Becca foundation, I find myself always reaching for this. It just leaves your skin so glowy. So I'm just gonna apply this all on. Okay, now that that is on, we're gonna put this guy away and we are gonna get into some foundations. Once again, I have been using the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. I am the color Driftwood, I hope so. And like I said, I'm gonna be splitting my face in half. So on the left side, I'm gonna be using the Lemondrop sponge. Usually I always just put some on the back of my hand and then I apply it with the sponge like so. So like I said, I'm just gonna do the left side of my face and I'm just gonna spread that out. Let's pull this hair back. And look how all of that foundation just goes right on. You don't even have to try, you don't even have to put pressure, it just goes on. This sponge feels really, really nice, by the way. It's very soft. All of Juno Co sponges are pretty soft. And I'm not just saying that. Oh, this is so nice. I feel like I got a lot of that foundation off of the sponge and on my skin. And look at how smooth it goes. Not a streak. Now, as you can see, I have a few blemishes happening up there. A lot of that is my own fault because I decided to pick it. So we're just gonna do our best to cover that up. So like I said, I'm just doing half of my face. I'm just using my mirror down here to guide me. Look at the difference in color. Yeah, I might need to get a foundation that matches me currently. but at least you can see how well this sponge applies foundation. I'm just gonna grab the remainder and rub it on this side of my neck. And that is thus far my face using the Lemondrop sponge. So that is the aftermath. I can always tell a lot of the makeup came off because you can squeeze it, and as you can see, nothing is on my finger, meaning a lot of the foundation transferred right onto my skin where it's supposed to belong. So that is just this side. As you can see, it's extremely smooth. Now quickly, before I continue on to the right side of my face using the Lavender Velvet Sponge, I just want to get concealer out of the way. So I'm going to be using Becca Liquid Luminous Perfecting Concealer in beige, and I don't need much, I feel like, so I'm just going to apply a little bit on there under my eyes, and I'm just going to apply that underneath. And look at that. I love this sponge so far. This is a great sponge. I'm very, very happy with it. I feel like it did such a good job, like just covering everything. All right, so let's do the exact same thing to the right side of my face so that I don't look so crazy on camera for so long. I literally look insane. Next is the lavender sponge. We're gonna use it on the right side of my face. Remember what I said, this guy has a little bit of a flat surface compared to the Lemondrop sponge. So if you prefer that when applying foundation, then maybe you'll like this one a little bit better. I personally don't have a preference. Same thing, I'm just gonna grab a pump on the back of my hand. That is all I need when using this foundation. I'm gonna grab the flat surface and we're gonna go ahead and apply this on. This is very good too, holy crap. I love a good sponge that's gonna literally cover everything. This one definitely feels very soft. And now I'm just gonna apply some on the forehead. Just using the bottom section to blend the foundation up into my roots, just so that it looks even. I mean, they both feel very, very similar. I will say that this sponge seems to be letting out the foundation a lot quicker. Like it was like bam, right away, like a crap ton of coverage. But both sponges applied the foundation exactly the same, very, very even. This one does feel a little bit softer though. But yeah, that is my foundation applied with the Velvet Sponge. Very quickly, once again, I'm just gonna apply some concealer on this side with the sponge. And yeah, it blended the concealer out very, very nicely. So that is the foundation on. As you can see, it looks smooth all around. And yeah, half of it has to do obviously because I'm using a really good foundation, and the other half has to do because I'm using a really good product applicator. But yes guys, that is the lavender sponge on this side and the Lemondrop on the other side. And as you can see, my foundation looks very similar. All right guys, so I just finished off the rest of my makeup for the day, and that is going to be my review on the Lemondrop and Lavender Velvet Juno Co sponges. Once again, I love them both. Both performed equally as well, so it really is up to you which one you want to try, or if you want to give both a go. I will of course leave all products that I mentioned in this video and use listed down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it super informative. If you did, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. That's how I know to make more like it. Subscribe if you aren't already, because I make videos every single week, and click that notification bell so that you know when I upload. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!